لا 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 لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Hi, this is Ibn Khaldun School, Al Yasmin Branch, Primary Section, Grade 2. I'm Mr. Saber Al Said. How are you today, my friends? I hope you are all well. Okay, today we have a grammar lesson. So, quickly open your class book on page 95. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here it is, Unit 9. Page 95. Okay, first look at the picture. What can you see? Who can tell me? Oh yes, there is a house. Great. What else can you see? Good. There is a tree next to the house. There is a tree next to the house. What do you have to say, Hamad? Fantastic. There are 3 birds on the house. There are 3 birds on the house. How about you, Muhammad? Good job. There are 5 apples on the tree. There are 5 apples on the tree. Great. Let's read the sentences that you've just made. Here they are. The first one. There is a house. There is a house. There is a tree next to the house. There is a tree next to the house. There are 3 birds. There are 3 birds. Next sentence. There are 5 apples on the tree. There are 5 apples on the tree. Okay, great. Well done. Now we have an interesting conversation. We want to listen to it. It's very necessary to listen to it well. Try to repeat it. Okay, let's get started. Here is the conversation.
Pupils Book, Unit 9, page 95, Activity 2. Listen and read.
Cover the picture. Okay. What can you remember? There was a house. Yes? There were 2 birds on the house. No, there were 3 birds. There was a tree next to the house. Yes. There were 5 apples on the tree. No, there were 6 apples. Yes, you're right.
Great. Is it understandable? I mean, did you understand it? Brilliant. You've done a great job. Now, how about having a couple of questions? Okay. Let's begin. First question. Was there a tree next to the house? Was there a tree next to the house? Okay, Faisal. What do you have in mind? Brilliant. Yes, there was. Yes, there was. Next question. How many birds were there on the house? How many birds were there on the house? What's your answer, Yasser? Marvelous. There were 3 birds. There were 3 birds. Very nice. Okay, my next question. How many apples were there on the tree? How many apples were there on the tree? Yes, great. There were 5 apples on the tree. There were 5 apples on the tree. Definitely true. Okay. Now it's high time to play word wall games, and I know that you will enjoy them. Excellent. So let's move on to word wall games. Number 1. There is, there are, there were a tree next to the house. Who can answer it? Great. There is a tree next to the house. Next. There is, there are, there was 2 birds. Fantastic. There are 2 birds. Next one. There is, there was, there were 5 apples on the tree. A, B, or C is right. Try to think. Great. There were 5 apples on the tree. Was there a whale in the sea? Was there a whale in the sea? Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. Yes, there were. The right answer is yes, there was. The last one. Were there dolphins in the sea? Were there dolphins in the sea? Again, were there dolphins in the sea? Yes, there is. Yes, there was. Yes, there were. The right answer? Yes, there were. Great. So you've done a great job today. That's the end of our lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. I appreciate your effort. Good luck. Bye.